Madam. Please go ahead.
I'm Afia and I'm from Government College for Women's Autonomous and I belong to Mandya. Today I am here to discuss few things about building a startup innovation ecosystem in India. As it is a dream of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji that our country's economy should exceed 5 trillion by 2025. In order to fulfill his dream, we need to focus mainly on proper startup ecosystem. Why only startup? Because startup is a possible way to find many solutions to a problem regarding unemployment. As we all know, our India is still facing the problem of unemployment. Startup will create job, it will dissolve many problems with the upcoming innovation and technologies. How can these ideas can be harnessed and how these technologies can be converted into potential business hub? So, if we want to convert these technologies into potential business hub, we need a strong, good ecosystem which provides investment, which provides training, which provides guidance, and which provides a platform for the youth to disclose their innovative ideas. Ecosystem is a collaboration of government agencies, institutions as well as market. So this is coming in the last 4 years and the ongoing initiative of Startup India was launched by the Government of India in 2016. This will bring many remedies to the social problems, the both economy and society's problems will be minimized. Why there is a requirement of startup ecosystem in India? Because startups are the thing which provide a youth a platform to show their new ideas. If we support the startups, it will become unicorns, big unicorns. If they turn into unicorns, automatically the economy of our India will boost. The economy of our India will boost only when we encourage these startups. How can we encourage these startups when we don't have a proper environment and ecosystem to instruct the youth talent? In order to instruct the youth talent, we need a startup innovation ecosystem. So, it is required because our India is a pool of young knowledge. And do you know, in America, many startups took part. Their think tankers were from India. So why not, if we develop these things in our country will reach more and our country will harness more and more, and we can surpass China, we can surpass America's economy, and we can surpass UK as well. And the main thing, as our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji recently said Atmanirbhar Bharat, the self-reliance India. If India wants to be self-reliant, they need to focus on young and startup ecosystem. So to help these things, Indian government has made up many initiatives. To simplify the regulatory framework, the government of India is introduced ease of doing business, wherein MSME unit has to fill one declaration online form called Udyog Aadhaar. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Seva, which aims to train the youngster in order to inculcate the industrial skill in them and enhance the opportunity to participate. And Atal Innovation Mission. It is operated by Niti Aayog, an innovation platform involving academics, entrepreneurs and research, and drawn upon national and international experience to foster the culture innovation, research and development and scientific research in India. Our India is the third largest startup hub in the world, and we are the fourth largest unicorn holder, and we placed 63rd rank in ease of doing business, and we placed 48th rank in global innovation ecosystem. So government is supporting many things, overcoming all the barriers and extend support from government and various institutions. Hope India would overcome China in a very short period of time. Thank you.